Good morning. When should you depreciate an asset? Well, you start depreciating an asset from the date you place it in service in your business. So what do we consider the date an asset is placed in service? So that's the date you got the asset ready to use in your business. You don't have to start using it right away to consider the asset being placed in service. Once the asset is available, ready to be used in your business, the asset is placed in service. So you record that date. That's the starting date of your depreciation. So you have to keep that date in your record for that particular asset because you will need it when you are ready to start depreciating the asset. Also, when you use an asset for personal use for some years and later you decided to use it in your business, the date you made that conversion is the date you will record as the date you place the asset in service for business use. That's the date you made that conversion. You don't have to start using it right away in the business, but when you made that switch and made the asset available in your business for business use, that's the date you have to keep in record as the date you place that asset in service. And when you start depreciating an asset, you pretty much depreciate the asset over its useful life or until you remove it of service out of your business, whichever comes first. So if the asset has 5-year useful life or recovery period, you'll depreciate it pretty much over 6 years. So if you depreciate it for the full 6 years, then and over that time frame you use in your business, after you are done recovering the cost of the asset or the basis for depreciation, you will stop depreciating the assets, even if you are still using it in the business. Or if you took it out of your business maybe 3 years through it, then you will stop depreciating it as well. So whichever comes first, whether you took it out of your business or got through the whole depreciation recovery period and recover the cost of the assets. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, ninasop.com, our blog. We do have a free download session on our blog. You don't need to join our email list to access our free downloads, and you'll be able to find links to IRS form and instructions. Not all of them, but some of them, and including Form 4562, which is depreciation form. If you need to depreciate an asset placed in service in your business, you'll be able to find the links to that form through our website under free download. Also, we have a depreciation category, how to depreciate a business asset, where we have all the articles related to how to complete Form 4562 on our blog as well. We do have a playlist, a video playlist, from 2020 Form 4562 depreciation and amortization, where we have all the videos related to how to complete Form 4562. So if you are wondering how you should depreciate an asset, by the time you watch videos within that playlist, you'll be sure that you'll be able to depreciate any asset you place in your business and be able to claim the right depreciation deduction on your business tax return. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it, and we thank you very much for all your comments.